Hi children, good evening everyone. Okay, so I hope that everyone's are well and you are able to stay at home due to this COVID situation. So my name is Cikgu Fiza, so I will guide you on how you're going to do your English module for this week. Okay, and I'm going to give you instruction and I will help you to answer your questions, and also if you have any questions at the end of this video, you may ask my WhatsApp, and I'll try my best to answer all your questions as soon as possible. Okay, so all children, are you ready? Okay, so we will start. We will focus on page 4 this week. Okay, where you can find there's a few boxes here on the right side, and there's a picture of the bedroom at the bottom of the page. Okay, and the first section is B section, where you need to join and write the 2 sentences, and you have to use but or and. Okay, I hope that everyone that know the meaning of the word but and also and. Okay, and your job is to merge these 2 sentences to become one sentence. Okay, and also you have to include the but in the middle. Okay, the but or and in the middle. Okay, also for first box it says save the mouse deer in the jungle. Okay, and save the leopards in the jungle. So I hope that everyone's ready with the pencils. Okay, I will read the answer, and I hope that you will be able to catch up the words that I'm saying just now. Okay, and I will be saying after this. So if you can't catch up the sentence that I mentioned, I hope that at the end of this session you will replay the video. Okay, so I will read the answer for but first. Okay, save the mouse deer but save the leopards in the jungle. Why I didn't repeat the same habitats? You know what is the habitats? The habitats is the place for animals to live. Okay, which is the jungle. Okay, the same noun, the same word, you don't have to repeat if you found it in these both sentences. Okay, so the things that you need to include in the middle is but or and. Okay, so that is for the answer for the but. If you choose but, for those who wanted to choose and, okay, get ready with your pencils. Okay, and listen carefully. Okay, the answer for and is save the mouse deer and the leopards in the jungle. Okay, all right, so we move to question number 2. Okay, the first box says monkeys live in the jungle. The second box says crabs live in the ocean. So how are you going to merge these 2 sentences, because it has 2 different habitats? Okay, one is living in the jungle, one is living in the ocean, and the animals the types of animals also different. Okay, so I will read out the answer for but first. Okay, so get ready with your pencil for those who chose the but. Okay, monkeys live in the jungle but crabs live in the ocean. Okay, all right, for the and answer, the sentence will sound like this. Okay, monkeys live in the jungle and crabs live in the ocean. Okay, for question number 3, okay, the first sentence, the first box, it says help the turtles in the ocean, and the second box says help the dolphins in the ocean. If you look at the habitats, they are living in the same habitats. Okay, but just the type of animals is different. Okay, and you have to include but or and for those who want to choose the but. Okay, now listen carefully for the but sentence. Okay, help the turtles but the dolphins in the ocean. Okay, that is for the answer for but. Okay, for the answer for and, for those who choose and, get ready now, children. Okay, help the turtles and the dolphins in the ocean. Okay, so I hope that everyone will be able to answer this question, section B for, I give you like around 5 minutes. Okay, so spend 5 minutes to finish the writing, to write the sentence. Okay, please make sure when you write the sentence, your spelling is correct, because everything depends on this. You can just look at this. The word is there, the sentence is there, just copy. Okay. Alright, so let's move to the right side where you can find the titles Language Arts, where I need to, the teacher will read out the sentence, the paragraph, okay, the story. It's a story about fairy, okay? And your job is to catch the words that sounds air, okay? Only the words that sounds air. If the words doesn't sound air, you don't have to circle it, okay? Alright, so so listen carefully, get ready with your pencil, okay? Eclair is a fairy. She has gray hair. She lives in a magical house. There are stairs inside the house too. Go down the stairs. Go to the cellar. You can see chairs. Eclair likes different kinds of chairs. She collects chairs. Okay, so how many words that you can find the word that sounds air? I'm sure that's more than one circle, right? Okay, this story is very cute story because this is about a fairy. Okay, this fairy's name is Eclair, so she is definitely a female fairy. Okay, if you look at the right side of the paragraph, there's a box there where you can find the three pictures. The first pictures is a little girl. The second pictures look like a house. The third pictures is obviously a chairs. Okay, so your job is to refer to this paragraph, refer to this story, and write and name it. Okay, what is this, and what is this, and what is this? Okay, and you don't have to worry. You can just find the words. Okay, from the paragraph, from the story. Okay, all right. So the last task for today you're going to do is going to be the best task. Okay, I'm sure it's going to be fun for you. Okay, it's because we have to refer to this picture, okay, where you need to imagine that this is Eclair's room. Who is Eclair's? Is the fairy. Okay, so Eclair's has the bedroom. Okay, she has one single bed. If you look at the picture, there's one single bed there. Okay, there's a curtain, there's a window with the curtains, there's a cabinet, and if you notice, there's a little bunny over there in front of the bed. Okay, and there's a lot of toys on the floor, and your job is to draw a chair for her. Remember the task you need to do is draw chairs. That means more than one chair for her. It's not singular, but it's plurals, more than one chairs. You remember that in this paragraph, in this story, that you need to draw that she likes different kinds of chairs. Yes, so your job is to draw different kinds of chairs. So it doesn't matter if the chairs will look like a round shape, and maybe the other one it looks like a triangle shape, and maybe the third one will look like a square. Okay, so you just need to be creative, draw and color the whole picture. Okay, so that's all for today. So you just need to complete this one page. Okay, again I repeat, the page that you need, you can find this page in page 4. Okay, you can find this exercise in page 4. And if you have any question you would like to ask, if you don't understand the meaning of the word, if you're not clear with the instructions, if you really don't know how to do, you please write the question, send to WhatsApp group, and I will try my best to answer your question as soon as possible. Okay, I hope that I can see you soon. Keep safe, take care, and good night.